Welcome back everyone to the Audacious Money Witch channel where we talk about investing and trading and a lot of fun things. I am picking up free money at the moment in TTWO stock Take-Two Interactive for GTA 6 2025 before the next trailer drop. Market really has a very short attention span. Or is the hype money only can hold it in for so long before it prematurely sells it off for something hotter? Now that Nvidia has reignited the AI engine, Bitcoin is being naughty, surging higher and grabbing people's eyeballs. Beyond Meat released AI fake meat, surging more than 100% after hours. Problem is, people want short-term highs and will only buy once it is already really exciting. Kind of like Florida, where GTA 6 is taking us into the first real metaverse gaming in the Sunshine State. According to the Maze Bank of Los Santos, invest in the red. It's in your interest. So buy now while no one cares about it. Not when the green candle lights up in the sky. When everybody will start buying. TTWO stock since GTA 5 first announcement date went up by over 1,000%. Can you believe it? Rockstar Games announced the game on October 25th, 2011. They released its debut trailer 1 week later. By then, the stock was traded at $14 a share. It dropped 40% to around $8 a share in July of 2012. Then it went on this huge run and 10x its value to today's price at $147. I think GTA 6 will be at least double the success of GTA 5 because Rockstar announced GTA 4 in 2006. It took them 5 years to announce GTA 5. From GTA 5 to GTA 6, it took them over 12 years to announce. This means people are playing GTA 4 and waiting for GTA 5 for about 5 years. And now they have been playing GTA 5 and anticipating for GTA 6 for over 10 years. Over this 10 years, a lot has changed, especially during the 2020. More and more people are now playing video games. Just the first GTA 6 trailer has broke the internet. By the time GTA 7 is announced in 2030s, you will be rich. I am expecting at least 20x return from just this entry point at around 140s. In order to get that, time has to play out. Remember, you are buying a business, which means a money-making machine. A machine is run by people. Those people take their time to make you money. On February 9, 2024, people at Take-Two Interactive Software prepared a report for you. It's called 10Q. As a leading video game publisher known for iconic franchises such as Grand Theft Auto and NBA 2K, TTWO has faced a challenging fiscal period. The report indicates a net loss of $91.6 million. Net revenue also saw a decline. This means gamers are getting tired of playing GTA 5 and GTA Online that are based on the GTA 5 platform. Despite these financial headwinds, TTWO's robust portfolio and digital delivery model continues to offer a strong foundation for future growth. I listened to Take-Two Interactive's recent quarterly conference call. CEO Strauss Zelnick commented on the company's approach to its most important upcoming game, Grand Theft Auto 6. Here's what the executive had to say about the video game. We're seeking perfection, and when we feel we've optimized creatively, that's the time to release. There is inherent tension, potentially, between getting something to market and creating perfection. But this company errs on the side of perfection. The first trailer for Grand Theft Auto 6 was released in November and stated that the game would debut in 2025. Given management sales and cash flow guidance and the fact that Take-Two's 2025 annual fiscal term ends March 31st, signs point to the game releasing in the first 3 months of next year. But Zelnick's comments about making GTA 6 perfect before its release suggests there's a possibility the game could miss that release window. Long-term investors shouldn't sweat a possible GTA 6 delay. Zelnick's commitment to perfection when it comes to GTA 6 is an implicit warning. It wouldn't be surprising to see it slip beyond its previously implied release window. Notably, it already looks like the game's release will be a little later than the company originally thought. In the quarterly conference call it held last week, management announced it was lowering its bookings target for fiscal 2025 from $8 billion to $7 billion. That suggests that the company thinks the title will be released sometime in March. The GTA series is typically delayed, but that's not a bad thing. The most important thing game industry execs should understand, though, is this: don't put a game out before it's finished. Quarterly goals aside, it's always better to take 2 to 3 months to polish a title than waste years of effort, said John Romero, a legendary game designer. If a substantial delay were to be announced, Take-Two stock could see a significant pullback in the near term. On the other hand, such a scenario wouldn't necessarily mean all that much for the company's long-term stock performance. Zelnick is correct about the importance of making GTA 6 as good as it can possibly be. When it's ready, the game stands a good chance of being this decade's highest grossing, most profitable entertainment release. One of the most special things about GTA 6 is you can play as both genders. It's like being your favorite superhero or Grand Theft in the game. Like any superhero, it has its strengths and weaknesses. In the case of Take-Two Company, franchise portfolio and brand recognition, Take-Two boasts a diverse and powerful portfolio of gaming franchises. The company's flagship titles, including Grand Theft Auto, NBA 2K, and Red Dead Redemption, have not only achieved critical acclaim but also amassed a loyal customer base. This brand strength is evidenced by the Grand Theft Auto series selling over 415 million units globally, with Grand Theft Auto 5 alone accounting for over 190 million units. The anticipation for Grand Theft Auto 6, slated for release in 2025, further underscores the brand's enduring appeal and market dominance. Digital delivery and recurrent consumer spending. T2's digital delivery model has become a cornerstone of its business strategy, with digital online channels comprising 94.9% of total net revenue for the quarter. The company's focus on recurrent consumer spending through virtual currency, add-on content, in-game purchases, and in-game advertising has created a sustainable revenue stream. Although RCS saw a decrease in the current quarter, it still represents a significant 75.7% of net revenue, highlighting the potential for long-term engagement and profitability. Weaknesses. The recent financial performance of Take-Two has been less than stellar, with a net loss and a decrease in net revenue. This downturn reflects the company's sensitivity to market dynamics and product release schedules. The financial results are heavily influenced by the timing and success of new title releases, which can lead to volatility in earnings. Additionally, the company's reliance on a few key franchises exacerbates this risk, as underperformance in any major release can significantly impact overall financial health. Operational expenses remain a concern, with total operating expenses accounting for 51.1% of net revenue. The company's selling and marketing expenses, although decreased from the previous year, still represents a substantial 26.9% of net revenue. Research and development costs, while necessary for innovation and maintaining competitive edge, also contributes to financial strain. Opportunities. Expansion into emerging markets. Take-Two has significant opportunities to grow its international presence, particularly in burgeoning markets such as Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America. Mobile gaming and cross-platform integration. The acquisition of Zynga has bolstered T2's position in the mobile gaming sector, providing access to a portfolio of popular free-to-play titles and a next-generation platform for user acquisition and cross-promotion. As mobile gaming continues to grow, T2's ability to integrate its console and PC franchises with mobile platforms offers a significant opportunity to reach a wider audience and drive incremental revenue through multiple platform approach. Risk. Competitive landscape. The video game industry is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. Take-Two must navigate this landscape while contending with rapid technological advancements and changing consumer preferences. Market volatility, influenced by economic factors and geopolitical events, can also pose threats to T2's operational stability. Platform dependency. T2's reliance on third-party platforms like Apple's App Store and Google Play Store for mobile game distribution introduces a degree of uncertainty. These platforms have the discretion to change fees, terms of service, and policies, which could unfavorably affect T2's revenue and margins. The company must remain adaptable and proactive in managing these relationships to mitigate potential adverse effects on its business model. In conclusion, for people who understand video games, GTA 6 is like a no-brainer. Will be the biggest launch, most desirable, and the best-selling game ever released. The pent-up demand for a new immersive game like this is off the charts. How much money will it generate for years to come? Forget about just the sales of the game at probably $90 a pop. The online revenue with advertising could be huge too. Like Buffett said, patient investors take money from impatient investors.